हमारे संग जुड़ रहे हैं वो ऐसे अभिनेता जिनको कोई भी परिचय की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जी हाँ, वो अभिनेता नहीं है, वो निर्देशक हैं, निर्माता हैं, हमारे देश के लेजेंड हैं। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ अनुपम खेर के बारे में। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका, वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू, ऑलवेज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू।
आप कल अहम हिस्सा थे इनॉग्रल का, उद्घाटन का, जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी खुद आए थे, मुख्य अतिथि बन के शिरकत की, उन्होंने संबोधन दिया। बहुत ही अहम संदेश था उनका। व्हाट वर द मेन टेकअवेज आपके लिए सर?
I think, first of all, I must share it with you that it was Prime Minister's initiative to have waves. 2019 में ये करना चाहते थे, and because I am one of the advisory members, I know how close it is to his heart. He feels entertainment is the next big soft power, and unfortunately the soft power we have not been able to convey to the world. The first book on acting or drama was written by Bhasa called Natya Shastra, 4th century BC. So I think he mentioned about that also. So I think it's a great trade. What Davos is to economy, waves will be to entertainment, and that's what he's planning. And with the ministry and the efficiency with which this whole event happened yesterday, or even the evening event that happened, is phenomenal. And look at there are more than 100 countries which are participating in it, and this will become a yearly feature. And in the next coming years, we will have talent from small little places. I think it's a great platform for youth from smaller places. The youth connectivity that he talked about was, I think, fantastic.
You know, you work very successfully, of course, abroad already in Hollywood and, of course, in the UK. Now, I have to ask you about whether this platforms like this will lead to more collaborations as well. You know, more.
I already met yesterday the Spotify CEO, YouTube CEO, Instagram CEO, and Netflix CEO. For all of them to be here, that means they are taking this here. And also, India is a very great consumer market. मीन्स आज हमारे जो यूट्यूबर्स की जो संख्या है, जो उनके सब्सक्राइबर सबसे ज़्यादा हिंदुस्तान में है, हमारे इंस्टाग्राम रील्स वगैरह सबसे ज़्यादा हम बनाते हैं, हमारे फ़ोन सबके पास हैं। तो ये सिर्फ इस बात का एहसास नहीं कराते हैं कि इट्स ऑल्सो शोज यू दैट हाउ इंडिपेंडेंट वी हैव बिकम, हाउ एम्पावर्ड एंड कॉमन इंडियन हैज़ बिकम। ये जो चेंज है ये सटल होती है, शायद दिखाई नहीं देती है, बट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ एन एटमोस्फेयर यू डिस्कवर that yes, today a 14-year-old boy can break everybody's record in cricket. Today in a small town, person can become and be part of the World Olympic Games. So that the biggest contribution apart from so many other countries, I think Prime Minister has made every Indian aspirational in any field. Today he, with his own example, can prove कि कुछ भी हो सकता है, जो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ।
हमेशा बोलते हैं, जो आपका शो भी रहा है। पैन इंडिया स्टार पे अभी आपने चर्चा की, क्या आपको लगता है वाकई में देश में अब लैंग्वेजेस की लाइंस आर ब्लरिंग, बाउंड्री लाइंस आर ब्लरिंग?
No, we have 22 official languages, so that will always remain. But I think this is a wake-up call for Hindi cinema, because what happened during pandemic, the audiences, the people, consumers, got to see a lot of films because there was so much of time. So they consumed Malayalam cinema, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, and they discovered that there are some amazing people outside Hindi cinema also. And they make films which are rooted to India. I think Hindi cinema is trying to, for a long time, in the last few years, trying to be cool. Maybe trying to... So we need to come up with original stories. We need to come up with stories with connect with people from heart to heart. Because cinema is about, of course, about craft, but is more about heart.
Last question to you. You know, you wowed us, of course, playing the marathon runner. Completely different look for you. Now your Labour of Love coming up. Tanvi the Great. Tell us something, sir, about it.
I am very excited about Tanvi the Great because the last time I directed it was not my story. But this story has come straight from my own experience that I had 4 years back about a conversation that I had with somebody. And it's a musical in terms of how a musical should be. And I have 2 Oscar winners in it, Kiravani sir and Rasul Pukoti. I have a Japanese lady DOP, and I have an amazing cast. We have just revealed only Tanvi right now, Shubhangi, she's from my school. So also a nobody will become somebody very soon. So that speaks a lot. I'm very passionate about it. I'm very really looking forward to share this with the world.
Akhri, interestingly, I was just thinking of that when you said reels, and stories on social media. Your mother also,
Yes.
at that age, continues to be a content creator.
She is a big star. She is a bigger star than I am. I am very happy. Also, I think it has made a slight change in people's attitude towards their parents. People discovered that माँ हैं या पिताजी हैं वो खजाना है. Because they really are different. And that's why I think my mother, after my father passed away, needed to live her life freely and independently and happily. She doesn't even realize that how impactful she is or how important she is or how famous she is. She just keeps saying that. But I think it's amazing to be able to do that.
चलिए आखिरी सवाल आपसे मैं भारत माँ पे ही पूछूंगा. कल हमने जिक्र सुना उसका रजनीकांत जी के संबोधन में और मुकेश अंबानी जी के संबोधन में.
In this atmosphere, it's not a very right thing to talk. It's very close to my heart. I think I'll reserve. I have already made a 5-minute video which reached out to a lot of people, and I've spoken about that. But in an atmosphere like this, I don't want to make it smaller. It's somebody's lives we are talking about. But my heartfelt condolences to the victims of this terror attack.
Thank you very much for joining us. We're journalist Vishnu Uday Pratap Singh in Mumbai, NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.